What if I told you that the very things you keep in your home could be the reason you feel stuck, blocking your success, your happiness, even the abundance you've been dreaming of? It sounds surprising, right? But it's true. Today, we're diving into 5 unexpected things that might be lowering your energy, stopping your manifestations, and keeping you from living the life you deserve. Each of these things has a hidden impact on your vibration, and eliminating them could change everything. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's holding you back and how to clear it out for good. Some of these might even surprise you, things you never thought could block your blessings. Welcome to Imaginative Realities, the place where we unlock the secrets to creating your dream life. If you're ready to shift your energy and attract abundance, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's get started. The law of attraction is all about energy. Everything around us, including our thoughts and surroundings, carries a vibration. These vibrations either align with what we want or push us further away from it. Imagine your desires as signals you send out into the universe. For those signals to work, your energy needs to match the things you're asking for. But here's the catch: your environment plays a huge role in shaping that energy. When you keep things that are broken, unused, or connected to negative emotions, they create a kind of noise in your energy field. This noise disrupts the flow of positivity and abundance you're trying to attract. It's like trying to tune into your favorite radio station, but there's static everywhere. By removing low vibration items, you create space for better energy to flow in. It's not just about clearing physical clutter. It's about shifting your entire vibration to align with the things you desire. Your home becomes a mirror of your mindset, and every small change you make reflects in your reality. Your environment has a direct impact on how you feel and what you attract into your life. Every object in your home holds energy, and some items might be silently draining your vibration without you even realizing it. It's not just about what you bring into your space, but also what you allow to stay there. Low energy objects act as barriers, creating resistance to the flow of abundance, success, and peace you're working so hard to manifest. So how do you fix this? By being intentional and removing the things that no longer serve you. Some of these may seem harmless at first glance, but their energy tells a different story. Here are 5 things you need to remove from your house right now to raise your vibration and make room for the life you deserve. Let's start with the first thing: broken or unused items. These might seem harmless, but they symbolize stagnation. A broken object sitting in your space represents stuck energy, holding you back from moving forward. Unused items, on the other hand, are like unfulfilled potential. They take up space, but serve no purpose, creating an energetic block that can prevent new opportunities from coming into your life. Next is clutter or excessive possessions. Clutter doesn't just make your home feel chaotic, it affects your mind too. A cluttered space leads to a cluttered mind, making it harder to focus, think clearly, or even manifest effectively. When your surroundings are overwhelming, your energy becomes scattered, and that makes it difficult to align with the things you desire. Then we have negative symbols or imagery. Take a moment to look around your home. Are there paintings, photos, or objects that evoke sadness, fear, or negativity? These subtle reminders can create a low vibration in your space without you even noticing. Replace them with uplifting and inspiring pieces, things that make you feel joyful and motivated every time you see them. Another big one is items from toxic relationships or painful past events. These objects carry emotional energy, tying you to experiences you're better off leaving behind. Holding on to them keeps that energy alive, making it harder to fully heal or move forward. Letting go of these items isn't just a physical act, it's a powerful message to yourself and the universe that you're ready to release the past. Finally, expired or old items. This includes food, beauty products, or anything that's well past its prime. Keeping these suggests scarcity, a fear of not having enough or being unable to let go. It's a signal to your subconscious that you're clinging to what's no longer useful, instead of trusting that new and better things will come. Clearing these out helps shift your mindset to one of abundance and trust. The key to transforming your space and energy is to start small. You don't need to overhaul your entire house in one day. Begin with just one drawer, one corner, or one shelf. The important thing is to take that first step. As you clear out each area, pay attention to how you feel. Do you notice a sense of relief? A lightness? That's the energy shifting. Let that motivate you to keep going. Consistency is more powerful than perfection, so aim to declutter a little every day or set aside time weekly for a bigger session. Make it a habit. Each time you remove something that no longer serves you, you're creating space for something better to enter your life. Think of it as an energetic reset, one small change at a time. Even a few minutes of effort can make a big difference over time. As you declutter, ask yourself, does this item add value to my life? Does it bring me joy, peace, or purpose? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. With each item you release, you're telling the universe that you're ready for something new. By removing these 5 things from your home, you're not just clearing physical space, you're opening the door to abundance, peace, and success. Every item you let go of is a step closer to creating a life filled with positivity and endless possibilities. Now, it's your turn. Let us know in the comments what's the first thing you're going to declutter. We'd love to hear your plans and cheer you on. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with someone who might need this message. Together, we can help more people create spaces that inspire and uplift. Don't forget to subscribe to Imaginative Realities and hit the notification bell so you never miss our tips and insights. And remember, I live in a space that radiates positivity and attracts abundance. Keep that affirmation close as you transform your home and your life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.